Hello everyone, I'm going to tell about introduction, declaration and defining a function. So these were all the topics which we are going to see right now. So first let me tell what is meant by function. A function is nothing but it is a group of statements that together performs a task. Every C program, it should have at least one function to perform. The advantages of using functions are rewriting same logic and code again and again in a program can be avoided by using functions in C. We can call C functions number of times in a program and even from any place in a program. The program is divided into multiple functions to track them easily. Reusability is done in C functions. There are two types of functions. One is library function and another one is user defined function. So library functions, they are nothing but if they are also the functions. They were declared in C. They were declared in header files such as scanf, printf, etc. And user-defined functions. It is created by the C programmer. It can be used many times and it reduces the complexity of a program. There are three aspects. Function declaration tells about the function name, parameter and its return type to the compiler. A function call is nothing but a function can be called from anywhere in the program. The parameter should not differ in function calling, likewise in function declaration too. We should pass the same number of functions as it is declared in the function declaration. Function definition consists of the actual statements that are to be executed. The below table has the syntax for each aspects. In return value, a C function, it may or may not return a value from the function. If we don't want to return any value from the function, then we can use void function. If we want to return any value, then we can use a data type such as int, long, char, etc. And here's the example without return value. Next, here's the example with return value. Here in this above example, we have to return a value 10, so we are using int function. If we want to return any float number, then we have to use float function instead of. There are four different aspects of function calling. They are function without argument and without return value. Next, the function without argument and with return value. Function with argument and without return value. Function with argument and with return value. This table consists of mostly used header files and along with the descriptions. Thank you.